Hello guys, today I will show you how to professional cinematic color grading on smartphone, using by VSCO application, something like this. Open VSCO application. Press plus icon and choose a video on gallery. Here is so many color filter, you can choose any one to apply automatically on your video. But I am show how to manually color grading, so let's follow me.
Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel.
Then click Save icon to storage your file.